Okay, this is Military Model Bolt with update number 9. This will be the first segment of number 9. And what I'm going to do is, I've done this bit now. If I can show that, sit down here and show. I've actually done there, and if you can see, I put a bit over the bolts. That's still going to be secured with a bit of resin later, but at the moment I'm not too worried. In fact, I don't think it'll even come off because I've tested it quite a few times. But what I want to do is spray black all the way in this area, because you can see through these vents, so I don't want to be able to see any grey plastic. Chances are slim, but at least I want to do it. And the same, what was that? Oh, it's my chair. And the same at this end, because you've got the same thing. You'd look through, and they're more or less opposite sides of each other. So if I do black around here, it would actually go. And I'm going to use semi-gloss black anyway, and I'm going to do the same to this bit as well. And I will be doing that again with the other piece later on if you can see anything. But this is one to it's black in this area, so I've already shaken this up. I'm just going to give it a bit more shake. I'm going to put my spray booth on. And here we go. I've got the propeller there to do at some point. I might be doing it in this update, so we'll get into its gold colour after priming it with black. Here we go. That doesn't have to be flashy, because it's just going to be, there you go. And I'm going to put the old pressure on. Take a little while to warm up a bit. Get rid of my little cap on the end. I don't like doing that in there, so I'll put it over there with the lid. So that's actually near the compressor, and make this okay. Give it a little. Good tissue. Just to wipe this off. The tip off I've just done. That's it's doing very nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'll turn it towards you so you can see what I'm going to do. Running out now. I'm going to do the other one now as well, so it's done. So I've done let that dry a little bit, even though this is lacquer paint. I'm coming over towards more to the fifth. Over there. Do this one again. This will be the dummy coat I do now on this end. That's done. I'm not going to worry about doing that anymore. Come over. Oh, I've got enough painting I think to do this one, for this bit anyway. Right, put the other fan on. Done. That one's done. So now we're going to do the other end. Let's see if there's any more paint here, I guess. I'm going to do the other end now, which is opposite these bits. more of that. There you go. This one. Some bills now. I think that's done. No, what I'm going to do now is turn one of my fans off. And that'll be it then? Yes. Right. So I've got to clean that now. Put it over there. Do a clean up and we'll come back in a minute when I can find my... Oh, there it is. There you go. See you in a minute. I'm back again. Now we're just going to do prime black Mr. Surfacer 1600 onto the actual propeller. So basically give that a primer coat, a black. Right, okay, let that dry. And that's the black primer on the top done. And the next spraying session, you should see seeing the brass being sprayed onto that propeller. So that's actually done. There you go. Catch you in a minute. Well, I'm back. I've got my compressor on, and I'm just sorted out my AK's Extreme Metal for brass. And here it is. I don't know whether the microphone's working, the battery's getting low, so I'm going to have to do this. Just going to spray this now, all sorted out. So here we go. I'll bring it in a bit. There you go. I don't want to come further because I want to be right in this. I'm going to start with the bottom. Go on there. Give it a bit of a blast now. Pretty nice. Don't think I'm going to need another coat, but I'll let that dry now. So it's time to put it back in the cup again. And that's the end of this segment. So hopefully you'll see me in the next segment putting the two whole sides together and the rudder that was filmed in one of the first ones where I was using the table saw and lost all the footage of me gluing this, but it's glued together and the other bits are all cleaned up, ready to go as well. So here we go. So I'm going to catch you on the next segment. Right, hopefully my battery's going to last in this situation, because my microphone says it's on red, so it could go out. I've ordered some batteries, they're PP3, so I've ordered about 6, so I should have a few for the future. But anyway, so what I'm going to be doing now is, as you can see, I haven't glued this together. It's actually okay. All black inside, so that's what I needed to do. Now what I'm going to be doing now is putting these 3 bits on. So I'm going to take that off. Oh, I had a bit of tape on here, that's okay. I most really need a bit more of that later, so I can save that bit for later. So there it is. Right, what we're going to do now is, I might as well do this way, because then you'll see it better. And I'll bring it down. So let's come down with the microphone, the camera. It's not daylight now, so you can see the difference. So I've got a bit of night out to use the lights in the room. So what I'm going to do now is place these bits in, and this one is part part A15, goes in there. Don't have to glue it; it slots into place. This part now is where is it? Oh, it's some C9 with that other bit on it. So C9 goes into there. Now I don't have to worry about that at the moment. That's sitting there like that. And then this that goes into there, and it's going to swing. And there you go. It's been cleaned up. Oh no. Yes, it has. Yeah, it's lovely. So it's been cleaned up. So it's going to swing like that, obviously. And now what I've got to do is, because that's all done, go around with the glue all the way around. And I'm not going to use Mr. Tamiya. I will use that one later, just to go around and check it. But basically, I'm going to go around with this glue. I shall put it on a little bit of plastic here, see if it's still working. Yeah, it is. It's actually coming out nicely. So I'll put it over there to dry. Right, here we go then. So I'll go on this one actually, because I think if I use that like that, that will keep that lightly up there, and I can actually go around. Now I'm going to go out now so you can see me a bit better now. Be a bit much easier. So I'm going to go back out. A bit quick there. Yeah. Right, here we go. So move that over there out of the way, further back, because there we go. And I'm going to start going around with this now. It's going to take ages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come, because it's a big one, I'm going to come back in a few seconds when I've got it glued ready to get parts together. Right, I've got the parts on. Yeah, actually I pressed the wrong button. There we go. So I'm going to put this on here now. Now I'm going to have to move that into there, because that's where the glue is, and I'm going to move that one into there as well, because it makes sense. Oops, put it that way. There you go. So we're going to turn this over. That's really good, isn't it? So put that in there. Put this one in this one now. Got to get rid of that though. Must have got a bit too close to where that is. There you go. So that can go in there. Right. Should be able to make that move anyway. So I've got to get this pin in now. There you go. Now I'm going to use a bit of a bit of this. Swing this round. Oh dear, having some fun with this. It's a big old piece to try and glue together and awkward. Right, hopefully it's on there. Going to need a bit of filling. This is not too much, but yeah, that still goes. That's loose. That's okay. The pin's okay, as you might be able to see. If I do this, you can see the pin go. Still loose because you get the actual aquaplanes on the side there. This can come up a bit higher now, because it should be into there. Makes it a little bit better. Anyway, so I'm going to run a bit of not super glue, extra thin, then some of the seams. Right, now I'm going to be holding this for a while now, so I'm going to switch off and see you in a second. Well, back in, this is the final segment of this, and as you can see, I've got it together. I did put it together parts of it, but I really had to take my time trying to run the glue into the slots, because these are I've already found out on by looking at other people's builds. They said they had a lot of sanding to do and sort things out. So what I've done is clamped it in the best places. So I clamped it, moved it, and kept doing the timber extra filming with a bigger brush to get it to get down in there, which is done. I should clean that brush later. So that's being done. So that's okay. I'll put it over there. And so basically I'm going to leave it all night to dry, and I'm going to check it to make sure it was all okay, which it is. And I'm going to put a couple of reinforcements inside this, but I think that's as far as I can go today on this, and I might not get much done tomorrow, so there might not be a video tomorrow, but there will be an update 9 today, because this is the battery's lasting for me a microphone, it seems. So there you go. So right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one, which will be update number 10, I suppose. Anyway, it doesn't matter, I'll find out when I do my update. So catch you later, and happy modelling.